After incrementally editing details of our image, we can now apply perfect style to our sketch. It is important to note that you must not add any staffing details like people or cars to the scene manually, as Pelicad automates the step whilst applying the perfect atmosphere and style to your image. To do so, we choose the second tool in our toolbar and choose from one of the existing presets. As you can see in the presets, they all include staffing. We choose photorealism and apply the style. After a couple seconds, 3 options are generated. We choose the second option as it has the perfect combination of materials, atmosphere, and style. Now, you might also choose that you want to create another style from the same sketch you had before. To do so, navigate to the edit history on the left, hover over the picture you want to select, and now click New Edit from here. Then we repeat the same step again. This time, we want to apply the photo collage style. We select it and apply the style. Again, we have 3 options, and in this case, we like the second option best. We submit, and now we have 2 perfect renderings. We can download by hitting the download button in the upper right corner.